I finally made it on Jimmy Kimmel Live. Welcome back to Homes by Jeanna Realty Group. I'm Jeanna, your host. Today we are going to explore Grand Prairie, Texas and what it has to offer you. Today, right now, we are at Ripley's, believe it or not. So come take a look and see what it has to offer, and after that we're going to head on over to Mar-a-Lago to see what homes there are.
The good times roll.
Now, if Ryan Reynolds came alive right now, I'd be okay with this. And John Legend, he can sing to me anytime. Y'all, what a deal. You get a hat and a shirt for $35. So here at Ripley's, believe it or not, we just went through the Wax Museum. There is so much more here. Behind me, we've got the Mirror Maze. There's an interactive gaming place. There's the moving theater, which is interactive. There's food and lots more things behind me. So come on out, check it out. You're gonna have a lot of fun with you and your family. Now we're in a sought-after neighborhood called Mar-a-Lago in Grand Prairie, Texas. We're gonna go take a look at one of the homes, so come on and let's take a look at it. Behind me, you'll find Epic Waterpark, which is in Grand Prairie, Texas, opened in January 2018. It was voted one of the top 10 best indoor water parks in North America. This year-round family entertainment center has over 80,000 square feet of splashing, sliding, plunging, and surfing. Epic Waters Indoor Waterpark in Grand Prairie, Texas is a massive year-round water park. This state-of-the-art facility features 11 exciting water slides, including the nation's tallest indoor aquatic loop, a lazy river, and an active pool. The park is enclosed in a retractable roof, allowing for perfect weather conditions any time of the year. Families can enjoy a children's play area, arcade, and multiple dining options. Epic Waters offers endless entertainment. Now that we've seen what Grand Prairie has to offer you, don't forget to hit the like, share button, and click on the link below if you want a free buyer's guide on what the rest of Grand Prairie has to offer. Thank you for watching Homes by Jeanna Realty Group. I'll see you next time.